Namaste. Handling anxiety can be very challenging, isn't it? Today, I'm going to teach you an effective technique which will not just help you to reduce your anxiety but also help you to improve your response towards stressful and challenging situations. I've named this as Shake It Off technique. Yes, this technique is based on the somatic movement, the conscious movement of the body. The body's natural response to let go of stress or to release that accumulated panic or negativity that has got stored in the body because of the anxious situations that we all experience. Well, to do this, all you need is a little time. It could be at any time during the day. Either sit in a comfortable posture or lie down, or you can even do this standing up. Now, consciously, starting with your hands, try to shake off the stress or anxiety that is accumulated in different parts of the body. For instance, if you're starting with your palms, just imagine that you're shaking off the stress or the panic that's accumulated in your palms, and then move on doing conscious movement in different parts of the body. You can also do some gentle movements, moving your neck left and right and imagining that all the accumulated stress and burden in your shoulders, in your neck is being released. You can even just move your hip in circular motion, release all that accumulated emotional baggages, shake off your feet, your legs, and imagine that all these bottled up negative emotions, it could be bottled up anger, frustration, irritability, panic, injustice, jealousy, or whatever other anxious feeling of probably having stage fear or fear of socializing or apprehension about the future, results, interview, whatever that is stored in your body in the past few days is being released. My dear friends, this conscious movement is not just going to help you to let go of the bottled up blockage or the anxiety, but also improve your response towards handling a stressful or an anxious situation in future. Now, we all know that whenever there is a stressful or anxious situation, the immediate response is projected through the body, isn't it? We immediately start feeling heavy in our chest, or you give that awful gestures through your body, or you feel, I feel the stress in my stomach, my legs are shaking, I have a throbbing pain in my body, my head is aching, whenever there is some negative situation that you're facing, isn't it? Now, the reverse can also be true. For this, you just have to make those conscious moments. Now, if you feel a little shy or embarrassed doing this outside, whenever you're at home in that closed room, just stand up, do those conscious moments, do it either rigorously or gently, however you feel is the requirement. But when you're outside, let's say you're at work or you're in a bus station and you suddenly feel that panic, you can just do some conscious, gentle movements where nobody will feel awkward about it. Making some gentle conscious movements like this, or just moving your neck, or just doing some conscious movements in your legs may not look very awkward to others, but the way you're interpreting it mentally, the way you're handling it in releasing the emotions can do a lot good to your system, no matter where you are at or at what time you are experiencing this anxious feeling or anxiety. Now, the shake it off technique is extremely important and very, very easy, particularly for those people who cannot close their eyes or sit in meditation or do some mindful technique where it needs complete focus. Because when a person is in anxiety, running mind, racing thoughts or disturbed thoughts is something that interrupts their flow of being in the present moment peacefully, isn't it? So for those people, shake it off technique can be highly effective and easy and definitely yield very good results, and also can be like a pre-preparation for you before you dive into a peaceful, meditative, mindful practices. If you like this practice, do let me know how you felt practicing this. Next time, I'm going to meet you again with another useful technique or tip on drugless therapy. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Namaste.